If your Firefox browser keeps opening search.jzip.com, or you've noticed JZip taking over your homepage and search settings, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to remove JZip search.jzip.com from Firefox, step by step, including uninstalling it from Windows and cleaning up Firefox so it stays gone. This is a simple process, but it's important to do it in the right order so you fully remove the unwanted software and reset your browser settings properly. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. It really helps support the channel. Now let's get into it. First, we're going to remove the JZip program from your Windows computer. Open the Start menu on your PC. Then go to Control Panel. If you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can also open Apps and Features instead. Once you're there, look for Programs and Features or Uninstall a program. This is where installed applications are listed, and this is the first place you should check, because browser hijackers often install a desktop program that keeps restoring the browser changes. Scroll through the list carefully and look for JZip, Windows JZip, or JZip Toolbar. These are the names most commonly associated with the unwanted software. When you find it, click on it once to highlight it, then choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts on the screen to complete the removal process. In some cases, Windows may ask you to confirm the uninstall or close related programs before it can continue. If that happens, just follow the instructions and let the uninstaller finish. After that, the software should be removed from your system. Now that JZip is removed from Windows, let's clean up Firefox itself. Open Firefox and click the menu button in the top right corner. That's the icon with 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Extensions and Themes. This page shows all the add-ons installed in Firefox, and this is a very important place to check because unwanted extensions can change your homepage, search engine, and new tab page. Look through the list and see if you find anything labeled JZip Toolbar, search.jzip.com, or any extension you don't recognize. If you do, click the 3 dots next to it and choose Remove. Confirm the removal if Firefox asks you to. It's always a good idea to remove anything unfamiliar, especially if it appeared around the same time your browser settings changed. Next, go back to the Firefox menu and open Settings. In Settings, click on Home. This section controls what appears when you open Firefox or create a new window. If you see search.jzip.com listed as your home page or new window page, change it right away. Replace it with a trusted page or Firefox's default homepage. This step is important because even if you remove the program, the browser can still keep loading the Hijacker page until you reset it manually. After that, stay in Settings and click on Search. Here, you can change your default search engine to something trusted, like Google or DuckDuckGo. If search.jzip.com has taken over your search provider, selecting a safe default search engine will stop Firefox from redirecting your searches there. Also, check the list of alternative search engines. If you see JZip in that list, delete it if Firefox gives you the option. Removing it from the list helps prevent it from showing up as a selectable search choice later. At this point, your computer and Firefox should be much cleaner, but if you want the best chance of permanently removing search.jzip.com, it's a smart idea to restart Firefox and then test your homepage, search bar, and new tab page. Make sure they open the way you expect and that no JZip pages appear again. If the problem comes back, that usually means there may still be another leftover program, extension, or browser setting that needs to be removed. The key thing is to uninstall the software from Windows first, then clean the Firefox extensions, homepage, and search settings. That combination usually solves the issue for good. If this video helped you remove JZip search.jzip.com from Firefox, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step computer tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.